been a long day. It really kind of started yesterday, right?
It's all one day to me because I don't think I actually slept.
I slept on the plane.
I pretended to sleep on the plane.
You always pretend to sleep on the plane, but I think you actually sleep on the plane. But I know that I was sleeping.
Not that much.
So we got into Phoenix at 5:30 in the morning. Got the car, packed her up, and after a quick breakfast at IHOP,
Swedish pancakes,
headed north to
not Hawaii. We are in northern Arizona, headed to Page to go to Antelope Canyon tomorrow. We're going to go look at Horseshoe Bend tonight. But, as it so happens, the road goes next to the Grand Canyon. So I have now seen the Grand Canyon from far away, but it was still pretty cool.
Very cool.
So now we can still see some edgy bits.
You can see a little edge over there.
This is a really nice drive. This is Route 89, US 89, north from
long drive.
somewhere or another, like Flagstaff-ish. Goes to Page, which is near a lot of the cool stuff.
We are out on the Indian reservation.
I don't know if we're still in Navajo or not. Yeah, I guess we are.
Yeah.
We're still in Navajo territory.
Not a lot here, other than the Grand Canyon. But pretty darn cool. We are actually on the east side of the canyon.
Yes. We just passed where you turn to go to the North Rim
Yeah.
to see things. But we don't actually have time, so I just got to see it from afar.
That's basically where we're at. But pretty cool stuff. Accidentally found something. Both very tired. We need naps. So that is next on tap. And we'll catch you